Once upon a time, there was a girl named Masha who was a trainer at work, and this guy named Shiva was, a new joinee. He just joined office, and this guy Shiva was, a very playful, joyful, and a fun-loving guy. Always used to ensure that he's in limelight with his dance steps, with his moves, with his charm and everything on the floor. And this girl Varsha was, very much into work mode and not maybe not that much into dance and all of that. But yeah, we just happened to speak as a hi and a bye. Yes, we were more into just hi and bye sorts. And there was one fine day where the girl Varsha had to move to a different center altogether because of some work commitments, and Shiva stayed back in the same location. Almost like 5 years we worked together, but it never happened that we wanted to meet or we wanted to speak or something like that. The entire of 2022, right?
Yes.
The entire of 2022, we're just planning to meet for a coffee, just on a friendly note. Let's just catch up, talking about how are we doing and so on and so forth. But it never happened. Whatever happened and started, it happened in 2020. January 2nd was the day, just right after New Year's.
After so many cancellations
yes,
in
after
2022.
many cancellations. I mean, he was kind of little, why should I meet sorts? I have other plans.
Not at all. Not at all.
Like
Not at
many
all.
a times, I made plans, he cancelled. He made plans, I also cancelled. But one fine day on January 2nd, 2023, we just met for dinner, and we just met. That's all.
Found our names written in the stars forever. Looking back at all that we've been through, a fairy tale come true. I'm there for you, looking up above into the sky. Everything just seems so fine. This is our time. Into
We parted ways and we feel complete touch. And that touch got us till the 15th of December, where the two of us are happily married.
Yeah.
So
This is just a dream.
exactly,
It's just
this is
a
an
dream.
absolute dream.
when we feel young, into the night. I
Still can't believe that the two of us are married. They say, right, the angels or the cupids, they see the good in each other and they want to do something for us. And I would thank my universe for that, for giving me Shiva, who is a gem of a person, and the transition that we have been seeing ourselves from January till the December. So it is fantastic. Yeah.
I can only tell you one thing, that in short, she's my everything. Right? Life has changed a lot that I'm with her. Right? This journey would be beautiful, will be beautiful for sure. Yeah, we were so mad in love with each other.
Absolutely.
Right? We met every single day in this 2023, every single day. We never missed meeting each other after logouts, going back home late night, all of that, right? So yeah, we cherish this love, celebration of love, right? Okay. Hope to see many things coming up in the future.
Absolutely. And most importantly, our parents and family was the biggest support for us. More than us, they are extremely happy to see, he's not just a son-in-law for my parents, it's more like a third son for them right now after my two brothers, right? So, it's amazing to see our parents enjoying our love and being extremely supportive to what we have been doing and to what we are now.
बारिशों में भीगे हुए हम, झूमे नाचे यहाँ। ख्वाहिशें मेरी पूरी हुई है, ये अपनी दास्तां। बारिशों में भीगे हुए हम,
but not the least, I would, take this moment to thank the entire team of SBS Photography. You guys are fantastic. You guys are phenomenal.
Super.
I mean, just look at it. We had our haldi on the 13th. Okay, my haldi was on the 13th, and on
I had haldi on my 14th.
and on 15th we see two beautiful videos just being played on the
And
screen.
on our marriage day.
Absolutely,
Right?
and that was like a very pleasant surprise for us. So I don't know what is the team size, because all we see is like only 5 or 7 people around, and everyone is extremely patient.
If your marriage wants to, if it's supposed to be memorable,
Go for
please go
SBS.
with SBS with
Yes,
no doubt.
yes, yes.
Don't have
It
a
is
second
worth,
choice.
It is worth your every penny, guys, is all I can tell you. And if I have to talk about the team is absolutely patient. Trust me, guys. You will get tired posing for pictures, but they will not get tired. They'll come.
Calling out the names: Sampatana, Bharatana, Yugender, Yogi,
Ravinanda,
everyone. Right?
Everybody.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, very professional, very creative, very innovative, extremely patient, and they will treat you like your family, guys. I mean, they'll make you feel so comfortable for posing and everything. Yeah,
Go for SBS. That's it.
I'm repeating my point again, guys. It is worth every penny. So thank you so much to the entire team. Please go for SPS.
Thank you.
Yes, this is Varsha and Shiva. #Shivarsha signing off.